Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IS would be Goel and Legal Internet Lex Click. Today I'm going to give you a brief on the case Harbin Kaur versus PC Chaturvedi, judgment dated on September 23rd, 1969. So in this case, Harbin Kaur filed the Court of Magistrate at Calcutta a complaint against Dr. A.N. Mukherjee with committing offences under section 417, 493, 494, 376 of Indian Penal Code. The case was transferred by order of this court for trial to the Court of the Session at Varanasi. It was the case of the complainant that she developed intimacy with Dr. Mukherjee and that she went through a ceremony of marriage by the side of a lake at Calcutta. That Dr. Mukherjee persuaded her to believe that it was a valid marriage and she is properly married with Dr. Mukherjee. It was the case of the complaint that she developed intimacy with Dr. Mukherjee and that she went through a ceremony of marriage by the side of the lake at Calcutta. She was persuaded on diverse occasions to part with property in which aggregate was the value of rupees 7 lakh. The complainant said that Dr. Mukherjee had taken from her jewelry of considerable value. Dr. Mukherjee admitted that she knows her, but he said that the marriage and the jewelry, but he denied about the marriage and the jewelry. The trial before High Court of Allahabad lasted several days. Mr. PC Chaturvedi, an advocate of the High Court, agreed the case on behalf of Dr. Mukherjee at consideration level. It is a case of the complainant that first in the case on the cause of his argument, Dr. Chaturvedi used filthy and abusive language not benefiting a lawyer. Second, that Mr. Chaturvedi made obscene gestures in the court. Third, that he said that the complainant had many friends and was used indiscriminate sexual intercourse. That in the course of his argument, Mr. Chaturvedi recited some Sanskrit verses depicting the debased character of women. Issues were whether Mr. Chaturvedi was filthy or abusive language. Second, whether Mr. Chaturvedi made obscene gestures. So in the proceedings, the court stated that Chaturvedi had recited some Sanskrit verses which extolled women while dealing with the finding of the learned trial judge that the complainant remained a misterm or concubine of the accused. So it was within his province to make these comments, and in order to discharge his duty as a defense counsel, they did not, however, notice any indecent gestures being made by Sri Chaturvedi or any abusive term used by him during his argument. So the High Court gave the order and apparently said that the appeal fails and is dismissed.